Hey, this is Mark Heston. On behalf of Michael Thomas, we'd like to thank you for checking out this page. So on this page, you are going to learn about our WP Mobile Contact Pro WordPress plugin. Now, this plugin is special because we actually included developer rights. So you can use this on clients' sites as well, because we know that you want your clients to achieve results with the websites that you build them. And this plugin will get more people calling, texting, contacting them than any other plugin on the market. And it works with absolutely any WordPress theme or page builder. And I'm going to take you through and show you how the plugin works. But first, I want to point out that mobile accounts for approximately half of the web traffic worldwide. Okay, so in the first quarter of this year, mobile devices, excluding tablets, generated 54.8% of global website traffic. So how are most people going to your website? Over 50%, they're using their phones. And we have a WordPress plugin that taps into this that will get people calling and texting you. And the best part is it's super easy to use. I'm going to use an example from a site that I built for a friend of mine. She has a cleaning service. So what she really wanted to do was get people to text her. Okay, so this is call or text today for a free estimate, but she really wanted people to text her. So this is the desktop version of the site that I'm on right now. But if we break out my phone, and you can see this also in the example below, if I go to the mobile version of her website, there is a bar or button on the very bottom of her site that says, send me a text message. And that button only appears when a person is on their site using their phone. So the plugin will automatically check if a person is on their mobile phone. And if it does, they will display this bar at the bottom. So in this case, it says, send me a text message. Now, when I click that, instantly, you're going to see that a text message appears. It goes to her number, and it already has the message that I would like to send. Then all the person has to do is click on send, and that text message goes directly to her, which of course is a lead. Now I'm going to give you another example real quick. Now this is just a demo site, and you can see that this is just a regular sales page right here. Now this is a desktop version because I'm doing this video on my desktop. Okay, so the desktop and tablet version will be the same. But what happens when I go to the same site on my phone, it says, click here to call me. And when I click the button, the phone number appears. And all they have to do is click to call. And it's one click. You're not opening up your keyboard. You're not, if it's a text message, you're not fumbling with text and checking if the number's right and all that. It's instant one click if you're on your phone. And that's displayed in the entire site, and it will, even if you scroll down, that button will still be there. Okay, so this is all about putting mobile call to actions to get you more text messages, to get you more calls, your clients, more business. And the best part is this plugin is super easy to use. The settings are all right here. So you can see from my first example that I did, which is Cassie's site right here, you could see that these settings correlate with that. I chose the background color green. The button text is send me a text message. And then it says the SMS message is, hi Cassie, I'm interested in your cleaning services. So all that is right here. And the mode, I chose SMS. And you can see that those settings produce these results right here. So it's the exact message, the button color, and everything else. And it's just that easy to use. Now, this can be used on a site-wide basis, or you can use this on individual pages or posts. You just enable it, choose the mode, SMS or call. You can have the number. You can choose a SMS message that pre-populates, and then the button text. Click here to call me. You can do call us for quotes or anything else. And then you can choose a button color, unlimited button colors and font colors, and you can even change the font size, although the font size that we have in is optimized for mobile. And then all I would have to do is click on update, and this can be used site-wide, again, or on a page or post basis. So you can use different numbers on pages or posts, meaning that if you are selling leads or doing something like that, you can use our plugin to generate more leads. So this is something that you need to add to your arsenal. A ton of people are using their mobile phones to access your site, so why not put it on? Your clients will absolutely love this. You can install the plugin on unlimited domains, whether you own them or their client sites. You can offer this as a standalone service on freelancing sites or sites like Fiverr. You can install the plugin for them. Of course, everyone will want this. And you can also include the plugin with sites that you flip, so the person who buys your site doesn't have to purchase a license of their own. Click on the Buy Now button below, choose a developer license, and you get instant access to WP Mobile Contact Pro. And this plugin is going to get your phone blowing up with more business.